Form 4 generation printers contain an integrated camera. If the camera is enabled, it automatically saves a photo of each print when it completes. Any issues with the camera may prevent it from working properly. Use this guide to remove and replace the Form 4 camera. If this video helps you with your printer, please like the video, and thanks for watching. To start, we will prepare the workspace. Remove the build platform first to avoid dripping resin onto the light processing unit. Remove the resin cartridge and close the vent cap to prevent resin from dripping off of the bite valve and into the printer. Unlatch the mixer and resin tank, cover it with its lid, and set it aside. Clear a workspace around your printer. Ensure that the workspace is well ventilated and free of dust. Next, open the printer cover and clean any resin pooled on and around the LPU with non-abrasive wipes. Dampen the wipes with isopropyl alcohol if necessary to fully remove the resin. Disconnect the power cable before continuing with maintenance. Do not perform maintenance on the printer while it is connected to power. Wait 5 minutes after disconnecting the printer from power before proceeding. We will now remove the back panel to access the camera. First, use a 2.5mm hex driver to remove the 8 screws securing the back panel to the printer. Set the screws aside. Remove the back panel by sliding it down and away from the back of the printer. Set the back panel aside. Next, we will disconnect the cable that connects the camera to the printer and remove the screws securing the camera. First, pull each side of the black plastic tab on the connector to unlatch the camera ribbon cable. Gently pull the ribbon cable away from the camera. Once the plastic tab is released, the cable should slide easily off of the connector. Next, use a T10 Torx driver to remove the 2 screws securing the camera to the printer. Set the screws aside. Slide the camera out of the printer and set it aside for disposal. Next, we will install the replacement camera. First, slide the camera into the printer and line up the screw holes. Use a T10 Torx driver to secure the 2 screws securing the camera to the printer. Reconnect the camera ribbon cable by sliding it into the connector. Take care when connecting the ribbon cable as it should need minimal force to insert it. Once inserted, use the black plastic tab to latch the ribbon cable in place. Next, we will reinstall the back panel. First, slide the top edge of the back panel under the cover bracket. Ensure that the 8 screw holes in the back panel align with the corresponding holes in the printer, and the back panel sits flush with the sides of the cover. Thread 1 back panel screw into each of the 8 screw holes in the back panel. Use a 2.5mm hex driver to tighten until snug. In some cases, you may notice that some of the screw holes do not align properly with the back panel. If this occurs, open the printer cover first. Then, push on the side of the tower of the printer to align the screw holes with the back panel. You may need to push on the side of the tower for more than 1 screw hole. Once the back panel is installed, we have now completed the repair. After replacing the camera, connect the power cable to the printer and the power supply. The printer will initialize. Start a print and test the camera functions, such as the time-lapse, to check that the replacement was successful. Need help? Contact Formlabs support or your certified service provider for additional support. Did this video help you with your printer? If so, please leave a like on our video and subscribe for more content. What video would you like to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.